I'm Mike.
I'm Joe.
And this is Kart Life TV. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is Kart Life TV, live from the Low Speed Living World headquarters and golf cart shop right here in Boca Raton, Florida, for another awesome episode of Kart Life TV. How you doing?
Tired.
Exhausted. Today is Thursday, and if you're watching this video, it's Friday, which means we have 7, 8, 9, 10 days? 10 days left until the PGA show in Orlando, Florida, and we are totally out of time, guys. But we got a lot done since the last video. We're gonna do a kind of like an update today. Not a lot of work in the video. However, we wanna kind of show you guys some secrets that we've been working on, right?
Yep.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. This cart is absolutely awesome. We came up with a name for it. We got color reveals. We got like some secret reveals and things we've been working on and surprises for this golf cart. It's really going to be exciting. The airbag cart is real. The Lithium Rhino booth is going to be off the hook. If you guys are at the PGA show, make sure you stop by. I know a lot of you guys have been stopping by the shop to check things out, and a lot of guys have been like, sending us messages if they're coming to the PGA show. A lot of our our subscribers have been like reaching out and really excited about it. So shout out to all you guys. Really exciting time here at Kart Life TV, but we are out of time on our golf cart, which we named
Marty,
which is, I think, an appropriate name because we're out of time. So, and you'll see why in just a second. Excited about that. But before we get into the video today, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's a great time for that. And if you want the members only content, special discounts at kartlife.com, or the free tech support that comes with it, you could join our members program right below. You can stop by kartlife.com and pick up some awesome Kart Life merchandise or Low Speed Living shop gear. We got all kinds of awesome shop hats, hoodies, t-shirts, Spicy Joe's ass blaster, coffee mugs, all kinds of golf cart parts and accessories at the best prices on the internet, right there at kartlife.com. So, without further ado, Spicy Joe, would you like to go into the shop and show everybody what we've been doing?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
All right, guys, let's go. All right, so guys, some stuff you've seen already is the color blue that we're using. It our license plate back up there. Out of time. That's what's keeping us motivated, right?
Yep.
To keep working here.
Sure.
Color blue paint. All clear coated. It looks great. You guys saw that the other day, right?
Matches the frame.
We told them that we're doing white on the golf cart. I don't know if that's seen actual much yet, white, but let's go look at the dash real quick. We kind of got that over here. A bunch of parts laying on the ground that are white. Check that out. Low Speed Living logo. We got the side white on that. And Joe's custom dashboard. Now, a special surprise in this. You guys think this is a Navitas screen. Nope. Not a Navitas screen. This is a Lithium Rhino 10-inch screen with proprietary software for the Lithium Rhino batteries. That has way more features than the Navitas screen, including it has LED controls. You can control all the sound bars too.
That's cool.
Right?
Yeah.
It actually fits better than the Navitas screen. It's the same LCD size and shape. That they didn't change. I'm guessing in China or wherever they make these things, China, to be honest. They have, just like one screen that they're using, but different software. But yeah, look how good that dash came out. So this is Arctic White.
Summit White.
Summit White. I keep saying Arctic White, and I'm a Cadillac guy.
I know.
This is a Summit White from a Cadillac, and it is absolutely gorgeous. We chose white for a few reasons. One, because it's going to look absolutely incredible in the middle of the PGA show with the blue. Yeah, very, very awesome color. The very Stormtrooper-like. You can see it. It's got an awesome sheen to it. Jim, the body, did a great job with the clear coat. Just kind of laid that on so nice. A lot of our parts are prepped with epoxy primer, ready for paint.
Sanded 200 times.
Crazy stuff going on over here. But this is going to be the crown jewel. And when we finally do get a chance to power that up, we're going to go through the whole thing. And there's our custom switch panel that I made months ago. I feel like I did that forever ago, and it's filthy. We got to clean that. But that's the setup for the golf cart right there. I think in the next video you're going to see us installing that. What are you doing?
Show what the blue looks like against that white. I don't even think you saw this.
No, I haven't seen it yet.
I
Sorry
did
for the spin there, guys. And we got something over here we're going to show you in a second.
I did it the other day.
Let's see. Oh my goodness gracious. We got speaker grills, guys. Custom painted.
Custom painted.
Let's see what we got over here. Over here, we got our steering wheel that matches. And we have this steering wheel. I know a lot of you guys are like set up or just kind of joining us, you know, new to golf carts and stuff. But we've been working on this golf cart for a long time. So this is the Mad Jack's steering wheel. So we made that 3D printed that little bezel there because let me try and find one in my box of stuff here. I know I got one because we have a BMS screen that's going to sit there in the middle of the steering wheel. Very cool.
Yeah, it is.
Very cool, right?
Yep.
So let's
That's
go back
why
and
we're using that steering wheel.
yeah, it's the only reason why we're using that steering wheel because that steering wheel's a turd. But before we get into what we got over here, let's go see what Jim's doing real quick. He's getting ready to do some more body and paint work over here. He's got his low-speed living shirt on.
Yeah, you told him yesterday.
Yeah, he got to wear his uniform.
Part of the uniform.
That's right. So this has come out amazing so far, guys. I know we revealed the wide body.
If anyone was wondering how the body's going to fit against the tub.
There it is. There's the fitment, man. That's better than most cars in real life.
Yeah, right.
Right? That is better than most cars. And this is an actual wide body now. So over here, kind of started to get ready to do some wiring. Cut open this a little bit so I have access here because I'm going to be like in this thing for probably 2 straight days doing wiring. And we want to be able to put I know. We want to be able to put the dashboard on, that custom dashboard, and mount it, but be able to work on things behind it. So I put this big hole here, and that's fine because the dash is going to cover the front and the body is going to cover here. So those holes, you know, for the headlight wires with plenty of slack, extended that a while ago, we'll have no issues, you know, accessing anything and keeping that going. So let's see what we got here. We are actually working on lining stuff up perfectly. So we have perfect gaps and seams in this golf cart, which is what Jim does best, right? So, okay, Joe, you want to go show him the crown jewel?
Yep.
And show him why we want to call this thing Marty? What?
I like it.
You like Marty?
Yeah, I like
it's good.
Crown jewel. I got it.
The crown jewel. So here it is, guys. We told you we were making this a work truck or a truck body, right? A pickup bed, like a sport truck, right?
Yep.
With a wide body sport truck. Oh my goodness. So we're still working on painting. We got to repaint one of the little wings, but this is kind of what we're looking at here, guys. So the idea of this bed, this is the Mad Jack's work bed here, utility bed, and we like modified the heck out of this thing. So there's an actuator in there that when it's powered up, the whole thing actually slides open.
See if I can get it to work.
And there's going to be an acrylic cover on this, covering all the electronics in here. So we have our, oh, and check this out, guys. Cart life. Now do you get it, Marty? Do you think they get it yet?
I hope so.
I hope so too. Out of time. So here we are. We got our custom painted Navitas motor, or Navitas controller. Oh shoot. We're shaking because we are not like attached to the golf cart right now. All right, slide that back in. Yeah, I'm watching the wires here. Nothing's really tightened up yet, guys, but a lot of wiring is going to go into this thing. Look how nice that closes. Look at that. I think we pinched the wire. We might have pinched the wire here, but
This one just goes.
there it is. This thing is like super badass. So let's show you what we got going on in here. We got 2 lithium rhino soundbars mounted to the Deco mat floor. We got our massive lithium rhino charger back there. We got our Navitas custom painted Navitas controller. That's an 850. And we got our solenoid for it right there. And the solenoid is going to get covered with the Cart Life Back to the Future themed sign. Acrylic cover, acrylic cover. This is all gonna light up because these lithium rhino soundbars have lights in them,
Everywhere.
of course. And then we went ahead and I think we did an okay job. This was probably the hardest part of this, was actually like making grills here so that the lights and the sound from the sound bars when it's closed, comes through and you can actually like see in there to kind of show it off. This is getting a 1/2 inch thick acrylic cover with our Low Speed Living Golf Cart Shop logo on it. And Joe, why don't you do the honors and plug in the LED lights, because this is sick. This is a piece of acrylic we had made right there. You can kind of see it in the tailgate. Check this out.
This is the best part.
This is like, obviously you know what's about to happen. It's going to light up, but wait till you see it. It is like, it's incredible. Spicy Joe with the honors.
Eventually.
One of these days. Oof. Man. Eat your heart out, guys. Eat your heart out.
That's my favorite part.
That is like so sick. So that's going to get lit up. This whole bed is going to get lit up with lights. You hit a button on our control panel, that actuator engages. And when this thing's all like straightened out, right, and like secured and everything, we're going to tune it up and make sure it slides perfectly. But that's it. All the wires are going to be hidden underneath the floor here. And it's going to be awesome. The only thing we're trying to figure out is where we're going to put the run tow switch. Haven't figured that out yet, but that is like the least of my concerns.
Yeah, no doubt.
Like, right? Like,
we'll find a spot somewhere.
Yeah. Yep. So that's it. What do you guys think? It's going to be sick, right? We got the spoiler. We got the custom work bed. We got the Lithium Rhino soundbars. We got the Lithium Rhino screen. The only one in the country right now.
Yeah.
Like, that's the only one. They overnighted that to us.
It's the only one in the world. I know we always say that, but that's for real.
That's for real.
That got overnighted
from China. Shanghai or something. Wherever it is. Yeah. Not Shenzhen. He said it wasn't Shenzhen. I thought it would have been, but it's not. But that's it right there. I can't wait to power that up. Hopefully tomorrow or Saturday we'll put that on and power it up and check out all the Lithium Rhino software. He said there's a update for it, but we'll see.
Alrighty.
So that's pretty much that's the update for today, guys. This is we've been working here for a while. We haven't been filming because we're trying to like get stuff done. This was like kind of like a big deal of getting this. This is like, again, this is like the centerpiece of the build, kind of. This.
Jim were here last night till 11 painting this, so we
it came out today. So good. A little bit of touch up here and there, but nothing really to be concerned at. The color is awesome. It's incredible, man. It's like, it really is. It's really incredible.
The body's gonna look like that,
and the body's gonna be glassed out, man. Yeah. Just totally glassed like this. So good. So, anyway, what else do we got to do tomorrow? What's the plan? You guys gonna be painting tonight, right?
Probably. At least get the rest of the trim piece painted. Maybe do epoxy coat the tub.
Awesome. All right, cool. Well, let's get back to work, man.
All right. Let's do it.
All right, guys. Friday morning in the shop. Joe was here late last night. Him and his brother here till about midnight, working on the tub and the flares. Wanted to come in this morning just to kind of see what they got done and kind of make a list of some things we got to pick up today so we can work on continuing to mount everything and get this cart back together and start electrical. I'm going to hit the store and then come back later and start the work. But let's check out how much they got done on this rear tub tonight. Oh man. That looks incredible. Let me turn the light on here so we could actually get see what it looks like. Dude. Wow. It's got to get sanded still, I guess, but man. Holy cow. Look at these body lines. It's like way too nice for a golf cart, like seriously. This is it, man. This is wild seeing it like as one piece, all painted the same color. I know this is just the primer, and this is that like heavy primer, and they use like an epoxy, I'm sure, underneath this, so everything sticks really good, like an adhesion promoter. In fact, I see the can right over here. But dude, Jim absolutely crushed this. This looks so good. This is gonna be like glass. That is amazing stuff right there, guys. Wow. What do you guys think? I think they did a great job. Holy cow, one step closer to painting this and putting it back together. Man, that's so sick. This is the adhesion promoter that you use before you spray anything on certain plastics, so everything sticks nice. And there's the brand new 7.5 kilowatt Navitas motor that we haven't even touched yet since Joe installed it months and months ago. And our air system. Haven't seen that in a while either. But it's looking good. And since it's open, it's gonna give me a chance to go through it and just kind of check all the connections. It's funny, you get to see the wiring. I did months ago. But it's open now, so be able to connect battery cables and do some other things. We are getting like so close. It's like almost time to reassemble. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for today. Just a short episode, kind of like an update with just 10 days left until
Sorry,
the
we're
PGA
not
show.
showing a lot of the work, but we're just trying to get it done.
We are out of time, and Marty is almost getting there.
It's almost there.
We got a lot more to do, lots more videos coming up, lots more awesome Kart Life TV content. PGA show 10 days away. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, check out kartlife.com, pick up some awesome Kart Life merchandise, golf cart parts, accessories, best prices in town.
Yep.
And we'll see you guys soon. Members only live coming this weekend.
Yeah, I was gonna say this weekend. Peace.